Here's how we install a standpipe monument cover for a monitoring well. A clean, strong and reliable way to protect your riser at ground level. Let's run through the full process from start to finish. We start by clearing the area around the riser and levelling the ground. A solid monument begins with a clean, stable workspace. With the site ready, we mix rapid set concrete. This material activates fast, giving us a strong base to work with almost immediately. We place a small amount of that concrete around the base of the riser. This forms a footing that stops the riser from shifting once the monument goes on. Next, the monument itself is positioned over the riser and pressed into the fresh concrete. Getting this part straight is key because it sets the foundation for the rest of the installation. With the monument aligned, PVC boxing is installed around it. The boxing provides a reinforced boundary around the concrete, reducing the chance of cracking or separation over time. We then fill the boxing with concrete, working it in around the monument, making sure it's placed evenly and filling every gap. The top is smoothed off for a clean, professional finish. A well-finished surface isn't just aesthetic. It helps prevent water pooling and keeps water ingress from causing erosion or damage. Once the concrete is in, the surrounding area is backfilled. The soil is compacted firmly to eliminate air pockets and provide lateral support around the monument. Inside the cover, we add sand or fine gravel. This material settles around the riser and provides a buffer layer that helps stop debris or anything loose from falling into the monument. With the monument installed, filled and secured, we run a final check, confirming alignment, stability and finish quality. Everything should be straight, tight and set up for long-term reliability. And that's how we install a monument that protects the riser and performs reliably on site.